We on this. Good morning, folks. The boss is working hard today.
Yeah, man, I have to work hard today, cause I forget something done. I forget a lot done. This one go up a little bit.
So this is I'm taping, I'm talking.
Yeah.
I'm not bothering you.
No,
So this is an extension of yesterday's work. We had to work on Sunday to get the preparation to move the line. And now we are clear to go. We are moving like lightning. The young man says he's fast like when he was 16 years old.
yeah. That's it.
So now we are dropping in the rest of the pipes and we'll go from there. Yep. So, welcome back to Shippity Explorer, folks. This is the continuation of work to drop in this handicap accessible bathroom, and the work continues. Yesterday we noticed that we had to cut out the HVAC lines and put them in a better position so we can go forward. And today we are doing extra plumbing to put drainage and among the studs, and I don't mind. This work continues. Let's get some fresh air so we can have maybe a flow. But we can go outside and show you that College Park is bright and beautiful, and life continues. Today is Monday, the 18th of November, and Thanksgiving is right around the corner. And as the leaves fall and the rest of the leaves fall from College Park, it turns out to be a beautiful day in this village. I'm going to call it the village today because it's more or less we're neighbors, we know each other, and most of us look after each other's interests. So it's a nice neighborhood to live in, and I've always never stopped failing to show you what it looks like. So as we work today and continue this process, I trust that you are doing your own stuff anywhere in the world. And I think this now is morning. This is afternoon in New Zealand and Australia. And while we are getting morning, you're getting night. So similar to China and all that, folks. And Africa, West Africa, you're a little ahead of us. You're probably 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, same day. But remember that Australia is always ahead of us. New Zealand, Australia is one day ahead of us. So, but I know from what I have seen that you are hustling and bustling and around the marketplace and getting dinner ready, or you're trying to purchase something in the old country market to get things ready. And some of you are working and to try to find a few dollars to keep going. Others, you're just coming from the office and maybe you're having dinner with a good friend in some luxurious place. So the world continues, folks. I know this is a complex world, I know that even someplace in Palestine or so the donkey is pulling the cart and the kid is hanging on. Maybe some places we have only had one meal for the day, but you have hope that things will be better. And so this world is so complex and interesting that anywhere you go in the world, that's what's going on. So greetings from College Park. This is Shippy the Explorer, always wishing you the best, that things are going okay with you. And show you around that we are really enjoying a lovely day today. So as we explore together, we'll bring you more highlights of what we have done in today's work. So talk to you later, as looking forward to see you. All right, thanks for watching. Continue to share and like and send comments if you like, and do prescribe or not prescribe but subscribe. It's free. It's just a matter of adding your name to the list so we can build this station together. And as we travel out of this area in a few weeks and go into another environment for a couple weeks, we'll bring you highlights of that movement. So we're looking forward to this. So this project is one series, and then after that we'll have a 2-week series of travel, and then we'll come back into town and celebrate the new year. So talk to you later. This is Shippy the Explorer saying bye for now, but see you soon. I just want to bring you highlights of this. You may think that as the one plant dies down as the fall comes or winter comes, then everything stops growing. But here we go. The grape plant is going to bloom in a few days, and here it is sending out new plumes. And when it blooms, that's when I see the maximum amount of honeybee in this area. The honeybee feeds on that fragrant nectar and do well in winter. So as the winter approaches, some plants do bloom, and I think I'll show you another one that's blooming here. What's the name of it? Show you that life continues. Here we go. Look at that. Flowers blooming in the middle of fall, end of fall, and these are called chameleon. And if I pick up the name good, chameleon. And these were propagated by the agriculturalist Dr. Stark, and so he named them. So some of them have survived. They're here 30 years and they're doing well. And so that's what's happening to life around town. The leaves are falling, the trees are going to the dormancy to a certain extent where they slow down, and some trees are blooming to show you that life continues no matter where you go in the world. So that's part of gardening this morning also, just to show you the activities around the neighborhood. And I think these are called Frisnia. It's So they are looking green and beautiful at this time of the year. And then the first day of spring it blooms, and at the end of summer, the last week in summer, the flowers stop going. But during the winter, fall and winter, it comes up with a luxurious plumage. And Shippy the Explorer is always exploring, so I'm going to show you that we're exploring this morning because we're looking at a green insect that it's right here. I think it's smart. Look at it. It lies down in the trees, and I think it's part of the trees. Nobody will see it, but I see it. Shippy the Explorer sees it. And those of you who are insect specialists, you can tell me what that is. There she is. But it's camouflage in the plant, and you'll pass it and don't see it if you don't look carefully. So that's agricultural experience for you this morning, and we'll continue to show you that all the show you our day's activity as we go along. So hopefully you're being entertained. Every time I pass here, folks, I never fail to show the progress of the purple line, and they are moving like crazy now. They're asphalting over the far end so that the traffic can go over there, and I think they'll carry the traffic over there and then bring the metro line down through the center. So that's but I'll go through the back here because I'm not sure what's going on in the up the top. So you see me going we're going through the back here to the post office, and where I need to get a card. And if you see me buying a card, you know that Shippy the Explorer is grandparent. It's a card for one of the grandchild. Felix, happy birthday, boy. So it's amazing. Came out of the car. So Felix, one of the grandkids, he's going to be 5, and that's a new experience. But if you see me buying a card, that means somebody is the female part of the family, mother, is not able to. So that means I get again an example of raising it takes an old village, WHOLE, village, to raise a child. So Shippy the Explorer is out trying to find a card today, and that's what he's doing. So a quick look in the sections where graduation, his birthday, Wow. We're looking for a boy. Happy birthday. Nephew, sister, niece, daughter. I'm telling you, all sorts of things. Grandma birthday. Grandson. Fifth birthday. Fourth birthday. I tell you, fifth birthday there. Not many to choose from, I'm telling you. Wow. Here we are. You are 5. Huge birthday wishes for a day that's tons of fun. Okay. Oh, yeah, happy birthday, folks. Felix. Well, that's what we can do. Then we go to the cashier and cash this in. The sales place, then we go to the post office and fill out this form. To drop. Forget this. All right. Well, letter is written, and the we just need a stamp to get it mailed. So this is we're in the post office, and this looking out on the activities out there. All right. Well, you would think everybody in this area is at work, but some of them are at pleasure, where they're all these cars, I think they're at the bowling station and they're bowling away. So I'm taking the back road so we can show where construction is going on. And I'm gonna shoot out now. We can get out of here. This will be a different perspective of what the activities are about on the Purple Line construction, folks. Chippy the Explorer is also on a mission. I've gotten the letters mailed, and 73 cents or 75 cents for a single stamp. I remember when stamps used to be 20 cents, folks, in this country. So everything is getting more expensive and more expensive. So what can we do? Cost of living is always increasing. So hopefully the wages of people go up to match that, so that we can keep up with the expenses of life. But that's the assignment. Here we are. We're going to advertise farmers market on Saturdays 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Representatives from the Miller's Farm come. They are down in southern Maryland, and they come up with their produce to sell in the square in the back here. It's the vibrancy of College Park, and something is always going on, where nothing stays still. Nothing stays still. Ship the Explorer just have to move with the action. Keep on acting and moving and keep on chucking. Okay, that's it. We're back into the neighborhood, and just to announce that the completion of another assignment, and so we'll continue to explore through the day. Oh,
That side already.
oh, good. Wow.
That side now.
At an event.
Huh?
So what the drain?
The drain?
Mhm.
Me not put in yet. That will come up. You see my bore roll there, sir?
Oh yeah, that comes to the sink.
Yeah, that will come up on the sink and then on vent will go up through
Yeah,
there,
they
sir,
doubled up.
and come down.
But yeah, oh, so it serves as its drain too. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But
I
then,
drain this, man.
right.
It's a wet vac drain.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to do a wet vac yasso too, see?
Uh-huh.
You not even need the yasso. Because not even 6 feet this.
But do it.
No, man. Too much.
Yeah.
No need it, man.
Uh-oh.
I don't think so.
Okay.
You,
It's up to you.
yeah?
Depends on what you feel.
Look what me have it. I yasso you drain over there, you know.
Uh-huh.
Right? So when the water run and come, you pick up this and gone.
You pick up the...
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't need it. I don't need it.
Okay.
If I'm on 6 feet,
Alright.
this is not even...
That's just 5 feet.
No, man, 4.
4 feet,
Call it 5.
4 feet 6.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
Call it 16, you know.
16, a 32.
Yeah, man.
36.
See, about 48, man.
Yeah,
See?
4 feet.
4 feet, that's what I say.
Right. Cool.
So when we
Looking
put that
good.
this on now, it run come and so it pick up good.
Alright.
This now, I'm going to increase it to 2. To 2 if you make it 2 inch go through the vent.
Get the
So get
volume up,
a
yeah.
whole heap of ear, you know?
Yeah. Cool.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What? Hey, I'm a niece, this, you know, like, for Jamaica. Hey, what go on?
Morning, ma'am.
This Larry, one of me.
You don't,
This is,
you don't understand patois. We don't
this
speak
is Larry.
patois.
Jamaican still, but, a bigger foreign, you know? Money are up on YouTube and thing. No laugh, a real thing.
I don't do YouTube,
So, you know,
I'm
nice man, know my mother well and, you know, big man thing, enough respect. So, females, not there work.
Hi, morning.
Yeah?
Morning.
Good.
Mm.
Save some hockey for me.
Some Aki. Can't come to Jamaica often, you know.
When Trevor come.
Oh, see, you know.
When you come, maybe I can ready because them was start home.
Oh, okay.
Me have a tree there up it a beer.
You have a tree up there now. In up a Stony Hill way there.
Cherry Gardens.
Cherry Garden way.
Oh, yeah, let me drive that way there.
Yeah. So him come down at the place all the time.
Yeah.
You know, but it's a man with respect, you know, cause you know my mother them article, you know. Yeah, so enough respect. So me I do a bathroom I feel, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
So I'm a sister daughter, you know.
Oh.
Cause me I tell you, me I have one sister in Jamaica there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so her daughter. But she a go on like say she a my sister more than niece.
Because she almost whole like you.
No worries,
Yeah?
She almost your age.
No man, she just in her 40s,
Okay.
you know. But she a go on like say she won me, you know.
Right.
You know?
Somebody have to keep him under control.
Yeah.
Trim not find one nice husband, give but we can call and talk and everything.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I know. Tell them something there's something that's short of foreign, Larry. There's something that's short of foreign.
One of them in a jail.
Actually, no, all right, good man in there. Most of them in there, jail.
Yeah, that's true.
One in just left single.
Yeah,
I forgot to ask Mr. Trump to let them out because most of them in there for a little spliff.
right. Yeah, but the man have enough respect, Marty, for real.
Yeah, okay.
So you don't talk to your friend?
Alright. Bad talk to her.
In her house, so.
That's a flash. I told you that mommy is busy and here we are. We're taking care of Kira looking rosy. Oh. And grandma.
Alright, okay.
So we say it takes a whole village to raise a child. So what grandpa is doing? Walking up and down, hippity hoppity all over the place. Now we find the control. Which one is this one now?
That was the one
From the room?
Yeah.
Alright, so this goes back into the kitchen cabinet
Oh, shame.
and
Shame.
wow. So we can find, remember it's in the kitchen cabinet. And remember if the gentleman come for his tool, it's in there.
All right.
Okay.
Laura, could you give me the control? Let me go to YouTube and see if I can find the word of the day.
Okay. Alright.
I need foot knock on that thing.
Okay. Now we find this thing, we can put that. Alright. So we're back to normal, folks. We just keep on chucking through the day. Alright. Life in the...
So you see that? So I put a thing over it, you see that there, so?
Yeah.
You see the drain is down, you see me have a 2-inch or boat there, so down and
Right.
2 vent or come here so now and come up. And you can tell everything I take.
You have to put a 45, like
No man.
90 come back for this.
Yeah man, I go run this coming out of wall there, so.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And put a 90 here, so.
come.
And then make that one a stay somewhere right there, so.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's it. And then when you have the gloves, it 2-inch go here, so. And kind of come over in the middle.
Right.
If this can go straight up, make it go straight up. If me have to come over here, so, well, which it look like it can go straight up.
Yeah.
So I just get a 2-inch and run it straight up. Me tomorrow make a boo do that. and drop in the faucet there, so and then we start put back the floor. And put back down, when we run water in it and test it.
Pressurize it.
Yeah.
Well, you go put the copper pipe first, or you...
I know copper me I use. A copper you want?
No. Whatever.
Me have to pipe them outside and me
PVC,
chuck them on, you know. A PVC. Me go run them. Me go run them tomorrow too.
Okay.
Yeah, so that me go do tomorrow. Me go run in the copper them. Me go run them in tomorrow.
Yeah.
You understand? And that me go make a boo do.
Okay.
I'm very good pan that. Me go make him run them in. Come over here and put it in the faucet.
Yeah, me never know if it remind me that the man should have put it a little bit over.
Man, Larry, me I tell you, if you just... I'm tell the man to video talk me, you know.
Yeah.
Because if you mean just put it... If you mean the pan side or more, me that good.
Yeah.
Because right here, someone want I center this, you know.
Oh, gee.
You know what I mean? I don't know if me put it here so. Me we good. Me think me ever put the shut off here so.
Well, if you put it over
You
there,
can't-
so
you
you give me,
can't
you
put it
give me the shower a little wider. That was me tell you say
No,
36.
man, you can't.
Okay.
Well, you want wider for Larry? Man, that 36 I have saying, no, brother.
Okay.
Let me show you. Because
so we're 36
we
reach.
map out the thing already, you know, and
Okay.
yeah, change for me.
No.
If you can't get it bigger, me make it bigger. See it?
We're 36 there.
See, 36 or so.
Yeah, that look narrow like a little
Alright,
bit.
so what you want me go here so then? 42?
Yeah.
Alright, me go 42 and that would have
And then that would give
20 in the center, yeah.
give you a little bit more if you come in here, so.
Alright. Alright, so me go
Can I
42.
tell you, so when you come in with a wheelchair or something like that now go
Alright.
42, then you put a 6 inches wall, 4 inches wall, or whatever.
What?
The little cripple wall.
Me I go make that tomorrow, the next day.
Yeah.
Because by Thursday,
Yeah.
I want to put back the drywall and them thing there, you know.
From downstairs. Because
Yeah.
man look like she...
Yeah, me I go
she
put
wants-
back that downstairs. Me I
don't
go
wanna
make the
sleep.
youth that come. Me make him come Wednesday. Me just want to pressurize it first.
Yeah.
And make him come Wednesday and start put back them there.
So you put the water pipe and pressurize it, or you pressurize it?
No, man, I go pressurize it, man.
The water pipe?
Yeah, everything.
Yeah.
And then don't remind me if you run the electrical, you have to go over so.
Yeah. And move
Yeah,
that
bring
thing. I've even charged me a couple more dollars to move the
What again?
pipe, the toilet over there.
Oh yeah.
it open-
Me I go deal with that. That you have to remind me about. Me make a boo do that tomorrow too. Yeah, so see this done. Let me run go pick him up. Come on,
Alright.
come back here before the traffic get.
You go on. Let me look in time.
Get.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
You get some now. Now come.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
Yeah. You have to fight them now. I'm talking already.
Yeah. So this is the look. Construction progress. Stage 7. 7 or 6, I think. We'll see. But we are getting there. Must be the blower. Spontaneous combustion. You had chemicals there?
Could you repeat?
You had chemicals?
No, I don't know why.
Huh.
I don't know why.
This could be a spontaneous combustion. Wow. Wow. It's, I think, check your, you open the abri, you open inside, you check the lawnmower. Huh? No, it has water on it.
I don't know why. It was fine. I saw. Shit.
Check your, yeah. Yeah, show the water on it. Eh? Yeah, bring that forward. You bring that. Let's bring this hose to.
We need to call 911 also because this can be dangerous.
Oh, let me ask him if he wants to call. I'm gonna ask him. You don't want to call. You don't want to call 911. Okay. Okay.
No.
All right.
I think it could be from the tractor.
Yes, when the tractor when it
Because
runs.
I put here the tractor,
Yeah.
probably 2-3 minutes.
Yeah. Spontaneous.
Yeah.
Yeah. The heater. The
Heat
Yeah.
and later, probably
Yeah.
it was from a good lesson.
Or spontaneous combustion. The paint or chemical. Sometimes it's
It was suddenly a lot of well, air.
yeah.
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 Could be that oxygenates.
Yes, yeah. Yeah. No?
No,
Well, expose it.
I am checking for anything.
Yeah,
I
expose
hope
it.
that the next week came people to take all this.
Yeah, expose it. Expose. Open. Abri, yeah. Because sometimes it's underneath there. In America, you're American. The American fire, it's so easy to catch fire.
No, I think it was the tractor because
Yeah,
spontaneous, how can be?
yeah.
Don't worry, I will check periodically.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring my hose. Oh, see it, abri, yeah. Abri, abajo. I'll bring my hose too. Don't call it on him because he say he doesn't want them. Make him make the decision.
That's what he wants. What he said.
Shirley, respect the person. Because him saying don't want them, he's have the kind of control. Let's we have a
But this is dangerous with right next door us. What him doing? Oh, the fire start.
it's an he says it must be the tractor. But he says don't call it, him say don't call. You make him call. You call it think by the man.
No, I canceled it because you said Tammy said not to call.
Right, I mean
This is next door right here.
but respect the thing. I mean it's understand if it comes across the thing and he doesn't have any control.
When we're gonna call. When it comes across.
Suppose he was doing something that this is on tape. So we have to put the fire on. In America, the fire is dangerous. Expose it. Open up. Abri, yeah.
Yeah, that is what I'm going to start.
But if you think you're having problems, you can call the fire department. Let them put the water on it for you. Because it might come back up. See it's right there in the wood. Right? A bit above. Yeah. But if you think you have problem, you can telephone the fire department.
You think this is for the fire department?
Yeah, you probably should. Let them check it for you. because it may spread. You think it's out, but a little spark, un poquito spark jumps back up, like later tonight. You see? And the so it's spontaneous not spontaneous combustion, but I think he had the lawnmower catches. You see? Look at the ahí. No, mucho agua. And still, watch it, still smoking. Right here, right aquí, abri, right there. And we need to abri, open here so to. That's America, folks. This is as you quint fire takes place in this place. Eh? Oh, just tell you about spontaneous fire and how America, oh, it's so easy to catch fire in America. Eh? So here the fire. Oh, tell them, oh, they're here. Aki. The difficulty down here. Hello. Down here, sir. Bushfire.
We got the garden hose, so I think you guys are good to just keep letting it down. I'm not seeing much of anything left.
Yeah, it keeps on flaring up in the middle here.
Keeps on flaring up in the middle?
Yeah, something going on right there.
From time to time, I continue spark
Okay.
right there.
There's no power run through this fence, right? Nothing
No,
electrifying
no.
the fence. Shag, you want to send someone top the wagon, grab our garden hose?
A little bit more, right? Right where he is, right where your foot there, yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
Right there. I don't know what is there.
Yeah. I mean, if it's thick and it's been burning for a bit, there's probably a lot of embers still. You guys know how it started?
We are suspecting because he was, what is the... Yeah, he was having, but it was more over here, so
I put the
there is
tractor
no other
here.
energy over here. Nobody smokes.
Greg, you just want to scrape it out a bit, just thin it out. Probably
Yeah, probably exhaust.
So you have to expose it. Yeah.
No burn.
No, I detected.
Yeah, no, I understand.
I detected from the atelier. And that's why we are calling you, because we are very surprised about it.
Yeah. So what we can do right now is just kind of thin it out. That way, if we can hold up with water on it, we'll apply more over everything. That way, we don't have to carry it on.
I mean, direct them down to this. Because remember, they address them confusing.
Yeah.
So they must stop up on Leo
Okay.
for the fire.
Go eat.
So their recommendation is that they check it every 2 hours.
That's right. Because it can flare up.
So him says a lawnmower, but I'm telling him him have a ton of trash over there. So it could be spontaneous combustion. Because when you pile up leaf and grass in winter, it gets warm in the core.
They should educate him about that too.
Me tell him, but
You tell him not go even take it from
they
you.
open it up though and thing. But him have a lot of.
So they actually come and open up the.
Yeah, you never look.
No, me just see the fire truck pass.
So when I tell you say fire truck come in, you never believe me.
I don't think it come yet.
Wait.
Until when I see it pass.
Then we run out time outside and you look and see me outside. You just leave.
Anyway, the food ready.
When you get nervous, you want to
The
eat.
thing ready, yeah? I eat before Miss Fire Lantern come home. Fire Lantern.
Oh yeah. Peony Wally. Peony. Can I be a Peony Wally? So what do I do? You go for her or you go for her?
Oh, eat in peace. When she come, we can give her whatever we bring her to eat.
Okay. All right. So that's the experience of a lifetime, folks. We have to be careful in America. Fire starts in a second and just flare up for no reason. You see, California is burning down. New Jersey is burning down.
One little spark.
Oh yeah.
One little thing can.
That's it. So that's.
No, if you never see that going on.
Right, that's why me run out, because
Maybe
if he wasn't there, then we'd have to call the fire thing right away.
Huh? Maybe that's what you were smelling too, because you were saying smoke and.
No, me smell it. Do you see all these chemicals we have downstairs? When this construction thing finish, they might go, because the thinner and the paint thinner and paint thinner oil, they can cause spontaneous combustion.
We shouldn't keep in the house. We should be outside, not inside.
You can't stay outside, it's spoiled. But they need to. But that's one of the service the government needs to provide.
Well, you have
When
to
we
be
ask them, the College Park, we ask them to pick up the thing. They want to tell about no chemical.
So they need to come up with some.
Anyway, you can see Shippy the Explorer having excitement this evening, folks. And we are, well, but everything is under control now. So we have to check on it in 2 hours. So it could have happened to anybody, any neighbor. So no fault of ours. I don't think no fault of his, because I don't think he doesn't even know what that fire started. He says a tractor, but he wasn't using the tractor today. He was using the hand blower. So who knows? Anyway, that's it. We'll talk to you soon. The show Can't say if you enjoy these things, it's just an exciting, unfortunate thing. Talk to you later. Bye for now.